Hey folks, we're going back some 30 plus years to January 1992 to see Clyde Dam from a jet boat before Lake Dunstan was filled. But to put it into context, let's take a look at Clyde Dam today. Clyde Dam is a marvel of modern engineering and a critical piece of New Zealand's electricity system. It is built on the Clutha River near the small township of Clyde in central Otago and holds back the waters of Lake Dunstan. It is New Zealand's largest concrete gravity dam and required 1 million cubic metres of concrete to construct. It measures 490 metres wide and 102 metres high from the deepest foundations to the dam crest. The now dormant diversion channel to the left contains 4 diversion sluice gates below the 2 spare penstock slots. These were used to carry the Clutha River flows while the dam was being constructed. The dam and the powerhouse were largely finished in 1989, but the lake filling was delayed due to additional upstream land stabilisation works. Now we flash back to January 1992, and with the lake filling imminent, a bunch of adventurous locals in a jet boat driven by Roger Nicolson decided to make a few last trips through the dam diversion gates. Departing from the downstream river shore, Roger Bennett recorded the wild ride with a steady hand holding a first generation camcorder. The Clutha River is New Zealand's largest, fastest and most voluminous river, with an average water flow of approximately 600 cubic metres per second. Now with only 3 diversion gates open, that means approximately 200 cubic metres per second of water is flowing through each gate. This huge volume of water generates a rapid at the upstream entrance of each diversion gate. If you think the upstream ride is scary, going downstream is worse, as a jet boat maintains steering by water going through the jet unit to provide directional thrust. This means travelling downriver faster than the flowing water, with little room for error as you drop into the diversion gate upstream rapid. Well folks, I hope you enjoyed this classic bit of Kiwi adventure and a great New Zealand invention, the jet boat.